Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking the app or tab you want floating. Open it now and make sure it's responsive. If you're on Windows, enable Snap Settings. On Mac OS, check Mission Control. Once done, resize the window to the approximate size you need. This reduces later adjustments. Make sure you have permissions for any extensions or utilities you'll use, because that's why some floats won't stick. Now keep that window visible while we convert it into a floating overlay. Next, convert the open window into a floating overlay. On Windows, right-click Media or use a PI-capable browser extension, or install a lightweight always-on-top utility and pin the app. On Mac OS, activate Safari's Picture-in-Picture or use Helium to float any window. Grant screen recording if prompted. For Linux, set the Windows Always on Top property via the Window menu and adjust opacity for visibility. Transition gradually, test click-through and focus so the floating window doesn't steal input. Finally, position the floating window where it's least intrusive, drag to a corner, or use a grid snap for precise placement. Lock or pin it if your tool offers that, and enable click-through when you need to interact with underlying apps. This prevents focus loss. If the float hides behind other windows, reapply the Always on Top flag or toggle the utility off and on. One troubleshooting tip: if the window vanishes after sleep, restart the floating tool or reopen the app to reinitialize the overlay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.